All right, here we are. Welcome to the first official moto vlog. Hopefully y'all can hear me good. Let's go have some fun. We are currently about to go to one of the 4 or 5 favorite parking garages of mine to shoot some content. We're gonna shoot a little cool video. I got like a random idea. How can we do this? Hopefully this works. Not the best idea, but we got to get it done. So usually I have my gym duffel bag, but I'm like, I don't feel like carrying all of that and putting everything in there. So I'm like, let me just put on the book bag. Hopefully y'all can see it right there. I'm like, let me put on the book bag and just carry the tripod. So yeah, we about to head to this parking garage, shoot this little cool video that I'll have linked in the description or like post it to my Instagram so y'all can see it. Hopefully that doesn't fall off. Once again, not the best idea, but you know, and look, it's already going. Not great, but good thing the parking garage isn't that far, so I will hold it, but you know, I like to operate the bike with 2 hands, so let's be smart about this. Woo! Oh yeah! Pretty chilly day, you know. It's 45, not 45, it's 35 degrees out. Mind you, we on a bike, so we get hit with all of this wind and stuff. It's gonna be a lot windy, so we bundled up pretty good. We got the heated gloves on, so we should be good. And there's a police back there. We'll stay in this lane because once again we got the tripod and we are not trying to drop this thing on the road. That'd be all bad. And here we are, one of the 4th or 5th parking garages here in Cleveland. I like going to this one because it's kind of like close to the crib, so. This is also where I shot my first pictures at. My first pictures of me getting my baby Sapphire. So let's go up here and shoot some content. This little creative video that I got in mind.
Bruh.
All right, here we go. All the way to the top of the parking garage. Woo! I don't feel no. Get out your feelings, get in your bag. I dropped the ceiling, so many mad. Pop a Tesla, taking off on the ass. And the chain, look like polka dots. Damn, so I did a little bike reel a couple of days ago. There's some nice pillars in here. I could have shot the video here. I forgot about this, but we ended up going to this place called Pinecrest. It's also close by the crib, probably like 6-7 minutes away. But yeah, here we are. We're on top of the roof, as y'all can see now. We about to do this little cool video. I'm thinking probably set up right over here where I shot the picture at. So, and then just walk straight, like right here. Yeah, this is perfect right here. Alright, so y'all currently seeing the behind the scenes of this. Let's connect to the phone now. It's connected, as you can see. Hopefully y'all can see it. Just finished up. Let me go ahead and put my my freaking camera away here. Let's head back to the crib. Kind of want to get gas. I mean, we got to get gas, so we probably have to go to the gas station. Wait, I did say that earlier. We are going to get gas, so yeah. Let's have our first little gas run on camera. All right, y'all, we finished. Hopefully y'all like it, and hopefully it comes out smooth. I think it will, but yeah, I'm excited for this. It's pretty dope. You know, take it back to my little childhood days. So I'm like, let me go ahead and do something creative. I ain't seen nobody do this on Instagram as far as like the motorcycle community. So yeah, stay tuned. And here's the gas station, like I was saying earlier. Like, it's literally right here, so it's perfect. Go over here and get some gas. Get some gas, get some gas. And with everything going on in the world, this is the best way to defeat the gas prices. You know, get yourself some type of motorcycle. So look at that, $67 versus, watch what we put in here. Hey, what's up? Can I get
2 hours later.
let me get, let's go with 11. 11 on pump 5. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that, $11. Let's see what that can get us. Appreciate it. Whew. Look how pretty she is. Whew. Look at that, she's filled up. Only way to defeat these gas prices. $11. Look at that. All right, we about to head back to the crib. And then I'm gonna get ready, go link up with a friend, and call it a day. Whew. Woo! Alright y'all, we are currently back home. That'll do it for the first moto vlog. Hopefully y'all guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more motorcycle content. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I truly would appreciate it. Catch y'all on the next one.